Hello guys, good day. If your Land Cruiser is basic LC300 and you want to upgrade to these wheels R20 Hyper Silver, you want to go for like VX style body kit, full option, then you want to upgrade your steering wheel to like GR or full option version with the wood grain paneling. Of course, we provide it with the Fender Extensions. I mean, not only Fender Extensions, these over fenders, but also the fender liners. Because when you install the bigger bumpers, the taller bumpers, you will definitely need another fender liners there inside. So as you can see, guys, that's a complete set. Even you have a version for the tow hook cover or the one which is closed in the middle for the rear bumper. As you can see, the rear bumper is two parts, lower and upper. All right, that's the upper piece of the front bumper. This one with the grills, with already parking sensor holes is there. And this is a lower piece with the plate holder. For the rear bumper, we are giving you not only just a step cover plastic, but also a plate, this aluminum brush or chrome. All right, and more to say, guys, if the car is basic also, we have those full option look side skirts. It's already containing a metal insulation here, metal reinforcement, I mean. You can see that metal plate. So you can step on it. So that rubbers are included. And also the lights. So this is like a Lexus look, Lexus style. Full option style. Alright guys, that's the side skirts. That's a kit. Also the wheels and the steering wheels. All complete upgrade in stock, guys. Now this is the most complete that you can have for the exterior, to have it complete upgrade. Also the interior, we have DVD, steering wheel, interior set. Even if your car is pre-facelift model, we have a solution for that as well. Reflectors are included, guys, with chrome trims. Some people, they just paint it black. Some people, they just foil it, wrap it, okay? Those all essential things are included, guys. Mud shields, which is fixed horizontally underneath. Thank you for watching, guys.